What is going on, everybody? It is JAMayerl back at it again, and we are here today in BGC, just like last time. But we're here again because I was like, you know what? We should go to BGC for the night. Go check some stuff out. We are staying currently at the F1 Hotel, and get a load of this view. It's pretty sweet. Look at that. Look at that. Get a load of that view. So ganda. Oh my god, it's so ganda. I mean, I guess it could be a better view. But, I mean, for what it is, it's pretty killer. You got the corner glass. Down below, there is a swimming pool, and I think that's a kiddie pool. I don't know. But, yeah, that's all a part of the hotel down there. But anyway, I'm very excited to be back in BGC because you know what it is. You know what it is. It's your boy JAMayerl, and since we're in BGC, I'm gonna go crack open a cold one for the fellas out there, for the fellas who are Red Horse people, just like myself. Uno momento, or shall I say, Isa minute? I don't know. I'm still trying to learn my Tagalog. Alright guys, I'm going to do a Slavic crouch because, or Filipino crouch too. This is how Filipinos crouch all the time. And we're going to do a quick cracking open of the cold one sequence of this vlog because I think it's a very important thing to be doing, you know. I mean, I just feel like it's the right way to start out. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sarap. So, now that we got that out of the way, let me go give you guys a room tour of this F1 hotel. I think it was like a deluxe king room. Don't quote me on that. I'm not too sure. If you're curious how much it costs to stay here, 127 USD for one night. You know, not too bad, honestly, considering how much it is to stay in Seattle downtown. It's like 300 to 500 a night. And then after tax, it's like 141. So anyway, let me give you guys a room tour. So, king-sized bed. Can't go wrong there. Let's see. It's pretty... I would say it's got a medium firmness. So, not super hard, but not soft. It's kind of in betweener. But I think it's perfect, honestly. Over here, got yourself a desk, TV, little space if you need to, like, you know, put a laptop and you're doing some nomadic vlogging, video editing, whatever you gotta do, or business ventures on your laptop. You got do some business finance stuff, like whatever you may be doing, or you just want to put your backpack on here like we do because, well, we're not that complicated, I guess. And over here you got a place to put your luggage, but obviously that is our Dunkin' Donut storage. You know, it just seemed like a pretty suitable place because we don't really have a luggage. We just got a backpack in this Hawaiian Hello Kitty Sanrio bag and Dunkin' Donuts. And you can also put your shoes down below, which is pretty neat. Over here you have a couch. So this couch is it's pretty soft. It's pretty nice. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. Then you got two mirrors over here, and then you got an AC unit up here, so do not worry. You will not be boiling alive in here. You will be doing just fine. It will be hindi malamig, or no. Sorry, hindi mainit. It will be malamig. And then you got a nice painting here. And then over here you got yourself a clock in case you need to know time. It's also a JBL clock, so it might be a speaker. And over here you got your little coffee cups, You got some F1 Hotel branded purified water. I'm pretty sure this is complimentary, so you don't have to drink out of the sink, because sink is no good. Just purified water. And then you got this multi-cooker electric kettle. I guess it can boil water. You can boil eggs. You want to heat your soup? You can heat your soup. You want oatmeal? You betcha. You want some instant noodles? You got it. You want some shabu shabu? I don't even know what that is, but you can have it too. Wow, so cool. Got a mini fridge. What hotel does not have a mini fridge? We got our water in there. And of course, one more Red Horse for me. So let me show you the hallway. This is the entrance. So you come down here, and then there's the room. It's not super big hotel room, but for what it is, it's nice. And get this, instead of a little placard you put on the front of your door to say, do not disturb, you got this little button right here. You just click that button, do not disturb, or make up room. If you want it clean, you click that. But we do not like to be disturbed. We're very private. And you only know why we're private, because it's Blur. Blur, I tell you, she's like a secret agent. So we can't let her identity out, okay guys? Gotta keep it a secret. She will never be revealed, ever. So anyway, there we have it. I have given you guys the full tour, except for the bathroom, because Blur is taking a shower. Tropical weather makes you sweat pretty easily. It's like, gotta shower 2 times a day, Dalawa days. Oh goodness. I almost dropped my beer. That would have been very terrible. Party foul. Let's get a little pre-funk going before we hit the streets. Okay guys, now let me give you a tour of the bathroom. So Mayasawa, my wife, just got out of there, and as I'm saying, like, this room is amazing. The hotel is pretty great. We do have a bathroom difficulty. Come take a look. So this is the bathroom, right? Nice countertop, nice sink, big mirror, got a little window there. And then this is the shower, walk-in shower. It's got all the little nozzles and nice shower head. Pretty cool. Are you wondering why we have 3 towels all the way around the toilet? No one peed over there, don't worry. But get a load of this. Hold on. Where is it? How did she do it? Oh, here we go. Look, I'm gonna push my foot into it. So, oh my God. Oh goodness gracious. So, the shower water has seemed to have found its way under the tiles here and has left this entrapment. There's a lip here. It's not supposed to come up over, which it didn't. I guess it found a way to leak underneath through the tiles all the way over there. So that is our predicament. I mean, it could be worse. Could have no AC. This is the least of my worries, but we got someone coming up to come take a look at it, see if they can fix it. My assumption is they need more floor caulking or something, to seal the gaps.
On our way out for the night, a quick walk down the hallway and we're off to see what BGC has in store. We started our walk passing by a Dunkin', a row of sleek car dealerships, and the lively streets buzzing with energy. Eventually, we made our way to Bonifacio High Street and stumbled on a live performance at the BGC Amphitheater. This is what we love about BGC. You never know what you'll run into. After soaking up the street vibes, we headed over to the Seda Hotel to end the night with some rooftop views. As we sat down, I checked out their light-up menu. It's a small touch, but it really fits the modern rooftop atmosphere. And then there's the view. Manila skyline stretching endlessly with a live DJ setting the mood. It's the kind of place you could sit for hours. Of course, we couldn't come up here and not order something. Started off with a glass of bourbon, smooth and perfect for the night. Then came the truffle pasta, rich, creamy, and packed with flavor. For appetizers, we went with beef salpicao, tender, garlicky, and just the right amount of savory. And of course, you can't go wrong pairing it all with some garlic rice. Safe to say, Straight Up Bar delivers on the food just as much as the views.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for the BGC vlog. We did a little bit of walking around and went to the Straight Up Bar. There we go. I was trying to think of the name. Had some Sarap food. Had some Sarap alak. Can't really complain. It was a peachy night. So I will see you guys in the next one.